Hey guys, welcome back to another backtesting session. I actually screwed up. I actually recorded an hour-long session of me trading, and my mic wasn't on. So, working on this session here, pretty horrible win rate right now, but, I think that's primarily because of, oh, never mind, it's just bad in general. Oh, crap. I think I'm starting to bridge the gap. Maybe I should just start over a whole new session. Yeah, so I made 6% in April, was struggling every other month, just started May, 1 loss so far, but I always know why I lose, so that's great. Now, starting off on this day, I'm probably not going to be trading this day. Today is Thursday? Why am I not trading? It's an inside candle day, and I don't have any tolerance for inside candle days. As you can see, it's 11 o'clock. We haven't gone anywhere. Yeah, so I'm not trading this. Alright. New day. What day is this? It's a Friday of all days. Crap. Alright, it's a Friday. I'm going to be bearish. Why am I bearish? We just took this high. We are in a bearish fair value gap. And it's a Friday. Specifically, it's a Friday. And we have no wick. So lots of reason to be bearish, right? Now, let's just review where we started off Monday all the way up here, mind you. We came all the way back down, fucked around in this area. Friday opened up higher, back above this high, and in this fair value gap. Like, what? Like, make it make sense. So basically, this candle opened low, wicked down, came back up. That's essentially a rejection candle, right? Yeah. I called it. It's a rejection candle. Freaking puta, bro. I'm so fed up with this thing. This is a very strong upwards candle. What is this? Oh, it was from when we were inside candling. Well, we don't need these anymore. This day is really expansive. I think it's already moved a lot. It has. So yeah, I'm definitely expecting more of a bearish move. But we'll have to see. Because we've already done so much work on the daily candle already. Low of day. Oh wow, look at this. 2 o'clock candle is what set this model here. And then we just expanded up on the 6 o'clock candle. So, I mean, in a way, we could get the 10 o'clock candle could also see expansion, right? Let's go to the 30-minute. So, we don't necessarily have a model here. If you want to come down lower, we'll get a model. If not... So, in this case, I have to wait until 9:45. And we actually came back down into this. We actually made an SMT. So we respected this. We came back down here. We have an SMT here. SMT fill, basically. We did not come back down into this fair value gap. We failed to tap into this SMT. And we actually have a 50-minute model here, which we can trade to the upside. Same thing with this candle here. And I'm probably going to get rid of this. So if we want to go higher, I need to see, 9:45's candle or the next 15 minutes needs to open low, come back into the range. Let's see here. So I need to see an open low. We're going higher. That's not what I want to see. Open low. Yes, that's what I like to see. And then I need to, what do you call it? Break of structure, which would be right here. Perfect. Now I need to see a continuation confluence. Okay. With fair value gap. But why am I probably not going to enter this? Because we're close to 10 o'clock. Because this would have been my entry, but because we're coming up really close on 10 o'clock, that's the reason why. Holy shit. Holy shit. Holy shit. And that is why we do not enter close to the 10 o'clock candle. Holy fuck. So, whoa, 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 whoa. Now, why did that happen, right? Why did that happen? Go to the daily chart, actually. We came back into this bearish fair value gap, and it's a Friday. Took out this high on ES. That's why. Now, this 1 hour is coming back into the range. I don't know how far it wants to come back into the range, right? We were assuming this would be an expansion candle, but now I'm not so sure anymore. We can go back to the 1 minute and see. Damn. Why does that look so much more threatening on ES? That's so scary. Wow. If we wanted to continue back up, we would need to take out this. But it's not looking like... Okay, or we need to have a break of structure, which we are failing to do. We are very much failing to do. So here's the thing, right? I cannot... So this 15-minute... Okay, so this 15-minute candle closed. We have a 15-minute model here. Oh, that's so crazy. And it makes sense for a Friday, right? It makes sense. So let's get rid of the other one. We have a new model now. It's a 15-minute model. This virtually has no wick. Oh my god. But on NASDAQ, we do have a model, right? And it makes sense for us to come back into the range. So what we can do now, ideally, I want to see an open high, right? Okay, there we go. There we go. And break a structure. Now I need to see a continuation confluence. So like closer below this would be that continuation, but okay, okay. Yeah, that was that short. So now I can short this, right? Stop above here. And targeting 1 to 2. Oh shit, wait a minute. I don't know if that was a good idea. Oh, fuck. Why was that a good idea? Because we're getting close to 10:30. Fuck. Fuck. Ay, ay, ay. And we're sandwiched between fair value gaps, so that probably wasn't smart. Damn. I should have probably just maybe waited until 11. I'm gonna be mad because that... Why is that coming... Oh god. Okay, let's go back to the hourly. This candle still supports downward movement, like even from like even like an hourly perspective, right? Because we're just coming into the 11 o'clock candle. this still supports downward movement. That's so fucking annoying because keep in mind this was my original trade. We're opening high. Well, we were supposed to be opening high. Okay, we opened high at 11. So now I need to see a continuation confluence. Okay, we are failing to... Okay, 11 o'clock is going up. Okay, yeah, that sucked. Yeah, so 11 o'clock just, yeah, this whole area from 9 to 10 to, just fucked around. It literally just teeter-tottered and screwed me over. So yeah, virtually no trade for us there because it just back and forth. Oh shit. That's sad. 2 losses already in March or May. What are we in? April, sorry, not even. Yeah. Friday was virtually an up day. So it looks like we are moving past this now. Damn, that was brutal, guys. That was brutal. I do like this method. I do think this is technically how this method should be traded. Now, I just think we're in a little bit of no man's land, which I do not like. But this candle does support bullish movement because, you know, expansion, retracement, expansion, retracement, expansion, right? It makes sense that we just continue expanding. Monday opened high, so no reason to believe that we're not going to high. What would be the draw on liquidity? These highs, because we kind of have nothing close in close proximity to us right now. This 4-hour high too would be our draw on liquidity. ES looks like it has a little bit more highs available to us. Anyways, with that being said, neither of those of you are drawing liquidity, so it makes sense that we'd be bullish. We haven't really moved much on the day. Let's look at the 1 hour. Low of day. Is it set with anything? Not really. I mean, do have this, I guess. Alright, so 1 hour candle doesn't really give us much. Okay. 30-minute could be something. I have to wait until... Wait, shit. Do I wait for the... I think I have to wait for the 50-minute to close. So... we did just get a sweep here. SMT. So, I mean, this candle should support expansion then from a 50-minute standpoint, or we'll end up waiting until 10, which typically ends up being the case. We end up waiting until 10. But since we have a draw on liquidity above us, particularly in ES, the closest one is on ES, right? I think we kind of do, oh yeah, we do have a low of day that we are moving away from, right? From a 50-minute, can I see it on the 1 hour? Not so much. But on the 50-minute, we do have a low. Change the state of delivery, we're moving away from. Came back down. Wipe this out. Yeah. So we should be moving away from this, right? okay. Might end up waiting until 10, but hey. So much for coming down. This is real coming down, right? Oh, so that would be an SMT actually. At this point, I'm waiting until 10. So, realistically speaking, we had a breakage structure here, order block here, 10 o'clock is just now opening. Oh shit. See, I don't like this though. Breakage structure, I need to see a continuation confluence, which would be this. And I guess this volume imbalance? I need to see a close over. Shit, see, this is why, what the fuck. You know what, let me go back to the hourly. Right now, and ES is kind of supporting expansion. Not so much NASDAQ though. Cause let me, like, look, where did 10 o'clock open, right? 10 o'clock opened here. Ten o'clock opened here. Inverse for Relia. Okay, 5 inverse. I want to see a continuation confluence. Technically, that does count. I like the fact that I could take this. Should I take this? It's coming up close on. At this point, what is this candle doing? It's refusing to like expand away and it's doing a whole bunch of bullshit. This is a lot of chop that's going on in here. $930 expansion. The inverse is still holding, right? So many things have happened. I have the inverse. I just need but because this is chopping so much, I don't think I can trust anything that happens in here now. Because the continuation confluence would be a closeover of an order block, which at this point, oh shit, like that, yeah. Yeah. I guess I can take this now. Jesus. Oh shit, I just don't like the fact that it's such a strong. Ay, let's give it a try. Ay. How does it expand away? Even if I had done my stop here, it still wouldn't even given me 2. That's crazy. This was very low probability. It's 11 o'clock. That candle did not expand at all. It was a rejection candle. Oh my god. Oh, I'm not gonna lie, I'm getting a tad bit frustrated now. So the candles that I'm trading are not expansion candles. Fire candle already supports expansion right now. SMT's at lows. Let's go to 1 hour. Okay, oh, did I erase all the targets? Oh my god. You know what? I don't care. Actually, no, I should care. Shit. I should care. I don't know why I marked out all those, like all of them are gonna be hit today. Drawn liquidity is always higher. Low of day being set with an SMT. 15-minute model. We do not have one. Well, that doesn't help whatsoever. I'm not allowed to trade a 5-minute model. Okay, we're coming back into this fair value gap. What the hell, bro? What the friggity flap? I didn't see that! There's an SM... What the heck? Ay, there was a SMT. There's a model here. Oh, man. Unless you want to continue to expand into 11 o'clock. Not exactly the wisest thing to do here, but... Because 11 o'clock, by the time it... I'm so mad. I'm so mad at that, actually. Ay. Because this is the move. Around 10:30, right? 10:30. We... break a structure. Respect the fair value gap. And then we would have entered here and we would have just taken off. That's crazy. I didn't... It's whatever. Okay, 11 o'clock is chopping. I'm not trading this. That's exactly the reason I said I'm not trading it. Like, what the hell? I'm actually getting annoyed, not gonna lie. I don't even think I'm gonna post this session. This is fucking pissing me off.